It's been great to be here at the Verizon Center in Washington, D.C. at the Worldwide Partner Conference. It's actually my first time that I've come to the Worldwide Partner Conference, and it's been fun to walk around down here in the bowels of the Verizon Center and walk past, the Wizards dressing room and the Capitals. It's been a lot of fun. I was on stage this morning with Julia White from the Office team, and together we talked about the things that we're doing in this partnership between the Enterprise Mobility Suite and with Office 365 and delivering that absolute best experience for users on their mobile devices. This is actually our largest event of the year. The Worldwide Partner Conference brings in more people to a single event from Microsoft of any other event worldwide. I think there were three big things I pointed out in the keynote this morning. One is this concept of layered protection, where we believe you need to provide protection at the device level, at the application level, at the file level, and then wrap all this with strong identity management. The reality is the enterprise mobility players today, the Mobile Irons, the AirWatch, the Good, they do a great job of doing device protection and application protection, but that's where they stop. We have wonderful device protection. We're bringing the pieces that we know we're lacking in terms of application protection to the market later this fall in conjunction with Office. But then we're delivering that ability to protect the files at the file level where the access controls actually travel embedded in the file. And then all wrapped with the identity management capabilities I've been talking about in the blog recently. No one else is doing this. And we're doing this at a fraction of the cost of the others. Less expensive, more capabilities. It's a great way for you to think about your solution. The second thing we talked about was integration between Intune and honestly the Enterprise Mobility Suite and Office. Really encourage everyone to take a look at the integration that we're doing, where you'll be able to manage all of the different aspects of Office, and that's going to be on Windows, on iPad, and on Android through Windows Intune. And it's the only solution that's going to be able to manage the Office applications. So if you want to be able to do things like manage what you can cut and copy, if you want to be able to manage where you can do a file save as, and really do a great job of separating out the corporate content from the personal content of these mobile devices, if you're going to be using Office to do that and you want it managed, your only option is going to be to go with Intune in order to do that. So I really encourage you to take a look at what we're doing in Office on the iPad. I'm still pretty surprised how often I get a chance to talk to someone and ask if they've tried Office on iPad and they have not. You can download the readers for free. The Office 365 subscription is less than $100 per user, and you deploy that on 5 devices per year. It really is a bargain. Get a hold of it, try it on your iPad, and then look forward to when that's going to be manageable through Intune here in the fall, and just literally a couple of months from right now.
Please welcome Microsoft's Corporate Vice President for Enterprise Client and Mobility, Brad Anderson.
And then the third thing we talked about was the reality of information today gets just trapped and gets stranded in all types of places within an organization. Today, all too often, information travels in the hierarchy up and down. It gets stranded in the hierarchy, or it's actually stored in systems that are not connected, that have just got broken chains of communication. The Office 365 team announced something this morning that they call Delve. And Delve is the ability to have all the information that you need have it be serviced to you in a very easy way. One of the stats I quoted this morning was the average information worker spends 20% of their time just searching for information. Well, Delve and the work that we're doing in Office brings that up to an individual now in a very easy to use and very easy to act on way. And so it allows us to work like a network where all the information that we need is easily accessible. It's brought to us in a way that's again easy for us to act on. It's been great to be here at the Worldwide Partner Conference. We can see incredible momentum on what we're doing from a mobility perspective. I'll tell you, the month of June was the most incredible month we've ever seen in terms of Intune and the Enterprise Mobility Suite. Where we had, we closed more business, we had more people banking their future mobility needs on the Enterprise Mobility Suite than we've seen literally in the rest of the year combined. So the momentum is there, and we look forward to working with you on these. Thanks.